Hello students, in this class we study pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.5. Second problem, the first problem, second main problem. Here the first problem. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solution? So we have to find out the values of a and b for this pair of the linear equation have infinite number of solution. So this is the given equation. We'll start the problem. First we write down the general form. So now this one is 2x plus 3y, bring 7 inside, then this will become 0. Then this is equation number 1. Next, taking the equation 2, that is a minus bx plus a plus b y, therefore bring this inside, there this will become 3a plus b minus 2. This put in the bracket equal to 2. This will be equation number 2. So now we'll continue the problem. Next, now we have to now compare the above. So compare the above two equations with standard form of pair of linear equations. So now we have to compare these two equations with the standard form of linear equations. Next step, we have to write down. See here in the first equation, a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 equal to minus 7. So next, from the second equation we have a2 is equal to a minus b, then b2 is equal to a plus b, then c2 is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So this is the equations. Now we'll continue this in this form. First one is, that is a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? That is 2 by, that is this one, a minus b. So b1 by b2, b1 by b2 is, that is 3 by, that is a plus b. Then c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by this is minus, c2 is minus. So minus of 3a plus b minus 2. So minus minus cancels here. Now take these two, that is these two will take, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, cross multiply this, will take, that is these two. Therefore 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. Now cross multiply this, what we get, that is 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into what, that is a minus b. After this, bring 2 inside the bracket, that is 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Now simplify this, that is 2a will become, that is a will get a, then 2b minus 3b will become 5b. So 5b is equal to a will be the third equation. So next is, we'll take these two. Again, first take this two and this two, that is b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore we take 3 by, that is a plus b equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now cross multiply these two. What we get, that is 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 7 into a plus b. Now simplify this. This will become 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. So now simplify. A will become, that is 2a, then b will be, this minus 6 remains as it is. So b will become 7 minus 3b will become 4b. So this is the equation 4. So we got one more equation, here one equation. So first two equations. So after this, now what we do, substitute, that is a is equal to 5b, this one, that is equation 3 in equation 4. So what is equation 4? We got 2a minus 6 is equal to 4b, which is equal to, that is 2 into 5b, means we have to eliminate a here. 5b minus 6 is equal to 4b. This what happens, 2 into 5 will become 10b, 10b minus 6 is equal to 4b. Therefore this one, that is 10b minus 6b will become how much? That is 6b. This comes this side, means 6b is equal to 6. 6 cancel, we get b is equal to 1. So this is b is equal to 1. Now after getting b, so one more thing we have to do is substitute, that is b is equal to 1 in equation which 3. What is equation 3? A is equal to 5b is equation 3. So a is equal to, we have b is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. Finally what we get, therefore a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1 is the solution. So this is the values we get for a and b. So this is the solution. This is the important problem. This has appeared in the exam, so I have written star in the question itself. So we'll move on to the second one. So the second problem is, so pair of linear equation we have, for which the value of k, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution. Here we have to find out the value of k. So first the two equations are given. We'll write them in the general form. 3x plus y minus 1, bring inside, it will become 0. This is equation 1. Next is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0 is second equation. So now we have to take AB values from here. Therefore A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 1, then C1 is equal to minus 1. So next from this equation, A1 is equal to 2k minus 1, B1 is equal to, A2, this is A2, then this is B2. B2 is equal to k minus 1, then C2 is equal to, that is minus 2k plus 1. So we got all the values here. Now next we have to write, that is A1 by A2. What is, that is A1 is 3, A2 is 2k minus 1. So we have to write B1 by B2 next. So this is b1 by b2 will be how much? That is 1 by k minus 1. Next is c1 by c2 is equal to minus 1 is there, minus 2k plus 1 is there. So what happens? Minus minus cancels. So here we wrote a1, b1, c1. Okay. Next step is take these two values, that is these two, that is 3k, this 2 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. Cross multiply these two. What we get is 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. So now simplify 3k minus 3 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. So what we get is 3k minus 2k will become k, then this one, that is 2 plus minus 1 plus 3 will become how much? 2. So we are getting, otherwise simplify like this, that is 3k minus 2k is equal to, that is minus 1, 3 comes this side means plus 1. After this we get k is equal to, this is 1, that is k is 1, then this one minus 1 plus 2 will become 2. So this is k. We finished getting k here. Now substituting, next step here is substitute k is equal to 2. So now we have to substitute. Here a1 by a2 is equal to, first we take 2k minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 minus 1 will become, that is 3 by 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So next we take, that is b1 by b2 is equal to, that is 1 by k minus 1 which is equal to, that is 3 by 2 minus 1 which is equal to, so 1, this is 1 and this is also 2 minus 1 means 1, 1 is 1 only. So now last one is c1 by c2. c1 we have how much? 1 by, that is 2k plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1. Therefore 1 by 4 plus 1 which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 1 by 5. So these are the three values we got. Therefore a1 by a2, how much we are getting? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to, how much we are getting? 1 by 5, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore finally what we can write? Therefore there is no solution. There is no solution for k is equal to 2. So this is the solution for the second problem. Here only the change is, first we take these two values, then cross multiply, we get a k from here. Now what we do? We have to substitute this k in the equations, that is a1 by v2 we have to take, then substitute for k in this equation. So we have to find out the value, then what we get here? 1. Again we have to find out b1 by b2, again substitute for k, then we get 1. Then c1 by c2 here, again substitute this for the value as, that is k is 2 here, so we get 1 by 5. Here we get a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore finally we have to write, so in the question they have asked for which value will the following pair of linear equation have no solution. So therefore the answer is, there is no solution for the value k is equal to 2. So this is the solution for the exercise 3.5 second problem. We completely finished the first and the second problem in the exercise 3.5. So students, if you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Once again please subscribe my channel. Thank you.